Welcome to this video. In this video we are going to analyze a turbo coin which is totally driven by community. And let me tell you an important thing about community backed projects before we go deeper into this project, and that is that the communities that drive such projects need to have solid internal bonding, meaning that the community members should have a solid respect for each other. Otherwise it gets very hard to succeed in such projects. So of course I don't know anything about this project as of now. I just started to make this video, and let's see what we find out about this project. But these are all community based projects, just keep that in mind. So let's get started. So turbo coin going up pretty it's pretty nice that it is 25% up, and the price has been doing very good, I guess, for the investors who probably have invested even yesterday. Apart from that, as you can see here, it is available on Bitget and MEXC, and the project has been around for a couple of months, I guess. If I can see here, I saw that somewhere around that it was launched in May. Yeah, so it's been around for a couple of months. So that's it we have here on CoinGecko. You can check all the other information if you need. I don't want your time to be wasted here, because I know that you can also do the research if you want to, just keeping in mind the supply of 69 billion. Apart from that, now let's directly jump into their website. So as you can see here, the turbo token, welcome to turbo, the future of meme coins. So if you see historically, then meme coins are generally backed by community, and community members who have respect for each other, who know each other, and they consider each other kind people. In such cases there are good chance that the meme coins can survive and grow infinitely. But if community members are only for profits, they don't respect each other, they don't know each other, they don't care for each other, then in such cases meme coins market will the particular coin will definitely collapse sooner or later. So that's why community backing is very much important, and one of the ways to identify whether the community is good or not is to, if the community members are sharing something good, meaning that they probably, because if you see all these investors, most of the investors probably have invested $100, $500, $5,000, even $10,000, we don't know. But if a person who has invested $5,000 in such coins, then he should has he shared $100 or $200 worth of good money giving program or something like that, or some sort of charity work in the community. Because when a community member shares some sort of charity work, the thing is that it increases the value of that particular community member in the community, that particular coins community. And through that, and if everybody is doing the same thing, then the project will definitely have community which respects each other. And that's why I believe that some sort of charity work, if shared between community members, I mean, some can give $50, $100, or maybe $500 if someone can afford, then if they share such quality work, charity work done with each other, then it creates a solid, powerful bond between community members. And through that bond only, a project like this, meme coin project like this, can survive and grow in the longer term. So the turbo token is a revolutionary meme coin featuring our futuristic toad mascot. Hop on board and join the ride. Okay, so turbo token began as a bold experiment in cryptocurrency creation inspired by the power of AI. The project's founder turned to GPT-4 with a simple challenge: create the next great meme coin, starting with a budget of $69. Confident in the AI's ability, the founder pledged to follow all the instructions brought by GPT-4 and documented the process. Driven by this innovative insight of GPT-4 and fueled by the enthusiasm of the community, as you can see here, that this guy also speaks about the enthusiasm of the community. So yeah, if they are trying to do something like this, and they got some enthusiastic community, then it's a great start. But what will drive the community's growth and the coin's growth ahead in the future? It can only be driven by community members respecting each other. If community members don't respect each other, this enthusiasm will fade away one day, if not today. So that's why it's very essential that the community's enthusiasm stays the way it is, and it can only be done when the community members have respect for each other, when they try to share some sort of charity work or some sort of giving away some money in the community on a regular basis, so that community has some sort of bonding. And that's why it's very essential that such projects, even before doing any research on this project, I immediately told you in the start of the video that this kind of projects needs a solid powerful community. Otherwise the thing is that even though this 25% is here, sooner or later this $10 million worth of market cap will fade away for sure. Sooner or later that's gonna happen. So that's why it's very essential, very essential for anyone, anyone to have investing in a community. That's pretty powerful. Otherwise as an investor you lose your money. Today the token stands as a testament to the power of AI guided creative and the potential of it holds for reshaping the world of cryptocurrency. As we continue our journey, we invite you to join us and blah blah blah. Okay, apart from that, there is this tokenomics, no taxes crowdfund launch, fairly distributed concrete view or white paper. I'll also go there. How to buy, download and set up a compatible wallet, MetaMask Trust Wallet. Okay, this is their address, visitor decentralized action like Uniswap Connect your wallet. Okay, so this is a procedure to buy the coin. I'm sure you, if you are a decent cryptocurrency investor, you know how to buy from Uniswap. So roadmap, website launch Q2 2023, community building and marketing campaign, anything can happen. That's actually true. So well, the reality is that the successful projects, they try to don't plan things honestly, and it's a good thing, it's a great thing in fact. But again, the thing is that the community needs to do a solid backup, because with such a small budget and maybe there are 3 or 4 founders or maybe one founder, we don't know anything, there is no information. But the point here is pretty clear that without community this project will not survive. And how can a community create more solid powerful internal bonding between each other is the real key. Are they sharing some sort of charity work with each other on a regular basis? Because it creates a drive, it creates an impact between each other's mind, that we are good people and we are good community, and we will do whatever it takes to survive in the cryptocurrency market. Because when a project like this will survive, then only the project will grow. You cannot grow without survival. So survival is the key, and if it survives, then the growth will happen naturally. And that's why I believe that a community support is very powerful in such kind of meme backed projects. And apart from that, there are FAQs, what wallet should I use, and etc, and this is the contact information. So I joined their Discord, and I saw there are a lot of community members for sure, and definitely a decent community. But the question is, are they truly supporting each other, or they are just here for the price gains and some sort of profit? Even if community members make some sort of profits, someone is gonna make money and someone is definitely gonna lose money. True gain happens only when project grows genuinely. So definitely a community is backing up is the key, it's the most necessary thing. And the more community members share with each other their some sort of social cause or some sort of giving away funds, something like that, which shows some sort of charity work, then they will have respect of each other. And that's why it's very essential in such projects to have a powerful community. Without community, this will be a big zero. Even if this is a 100 million market cap worth thing, then also it will be zero. For me it is zero. If there is community, then this $10 million worth of thing is $100 million for me. But only if there is a powerful long lasting community. And that's why it's very essential in such projects to have a powerful community. So I'll keep saying the same thing, because I know that the social causes, the good social work done by the community members is the key and the most essential part when it comes to having a solid trust and a long and building a long lasting community. So yeah, so now apart from that, let's see their white paper. Before that, I will also show you why the community members are the key through the example of chess, because chess teaches us a lot about collaboration. Each and every move is about collaboration in chess. So let's see how it goes. So here if you see, white plays this moves, and immediately, as you can see, after few moves, these all moves are interconnected, meaning that uh, when uh, when black plays this move, then the plan of blacks is to do the castle, putting king here and putting rook here. And why he's doing that? Because he wants to make his king safe, and this bishop and this knight are supporting this plan. So as you can see, everything is interconnected. And here also white will do the putting his queen on e2 square, and then after black doing the castle, white is also doing the castle. So all his first 7-8 moves are interconnected, they are planned. It's not that it's something random. So same way, when you are investing in such cryptocurrencies, it's very essential for you to understand that all these projects are totally backed by community. The collaboration between community members will be the key. Just the way you see here, the collaboration between this chess moves is so important, all these pieces. So these are very important thing. So now here again, game continues, and as you can see here, black plays this move, and white again trying to attack here with his pawns. And again, in the future you will see that why he's doing this is because he wants to connect all these pieces on this side and put the pressure on the king and checkmate him. And that's why the collaboration again will be required between all these pieces. So same way, it's very essential for all these projects to have a solid, powerful community that is collaborating with each other. They should have tremendous respect between each other, between community members. Otherwise, such projects will sooner or later fail. And that's why I am always concerned about investors rather than anybody else, because investors try to gamble. They think that this community will thrive, but gradually the community dies, and I don't want that to happen with any of the project. But unfortunately it happens with most projects. Anyways, black captures this pawn, and now as you can see, white again trying to put his queen here and trying to attack on this line. And as the game continues, black actually unfortunately lost his queen in this game. And as the game continues, what you will see is that here the plan is pretty clear to attack on this side by doing the solid collaboration between all the pieces. So now as the game continued, and actually the black resigned, because now this bishop on g7 is attacked by this bishop. Also with this queen and rooks backup, there is a checkmate hanging around, so black actually resigned in this game. My point here is pretty clear that I just wanted to give you the example of the importance of collaboration through the game of chess. There is nothing here else to learn from about the game of chess, but it's more about learning about the collaboration between the community members. And community members, if the community members will collaborate, then such projects will definitely succeed. And now let's go through that white paper quickly. The world of cryptocurrency is no stranger to innovation. So again, this is the same thing which we read on the front page of the website. And as you can see, the tokenomics, total 16 billion of supply, crowd-funded 60 billion, founder 9 billion. Key features, this technology. Turbo token is an ERC20 token built on Ethereum ETC. This is the roadmap, website launch, social media presence establishment. No set roadmap, no promises anything could happen. Q3 2023. Conclusion: Turbo token aims to establish itself as a leading meme coin with a unique identity and a strong focus on the simplicity, fairness, and community engagement. By prioritizing decentralization, fairness, community, Turbo aspires to create an inclusive ecosystem that enables sustainable growth, innovation, and long-term value for its holders. Again, this can be achieved because honestly speaking, there is no product here. So this can be achieved, but only and only if there is a powerful community backing this project up. If there is no community backing, then the project will die, and for that, community members need to have solid respect for each other. If they do not have respect for each other, how will they survive in the longer term? Because now the times are changed. Now projects are not between couple of CEOs. The things have changed. Now things are between communities. So if community members have solid tremendous respect, they believe that these guys are the other person whom even if they have not met each other, they know that this guy is a good person, he is a very good person with some quality social causes. Then they will have faith that no, we will survive, will back each other up and things like that, because things will get tough, things will get rough. It's not that all meme coins will get support of Elon Musk. It was Dogecoin, it was a different story, but now things are different, and only community can drive these projects. So that's why this is an essential part to understand. I hope you enjoyed this video. My idea was to help you guys with understanding what can happen with that, with the projects like this, and what is the area of focus for you as an investor, and how can you invest for long term. And so if you know a little bit about investing, then you will know that successful investing is done only when you do something for long term. And the problem with current cryptocurrency market is that there is no opportunity for long term investors when it comes to altcoins. But because if you find quality good community, then the things will change. If community members share some quality social work done in their area or something like that, then it can be a good approach to judge a community. So that's it. I hope you understood my point and the importance of community. And if you want to join our community, then join my Telegram group. I will put the link in the description, because even if you don't find a good community, there is always our community for you to be part of. And gradually we will launch a good successful cryptocurrency project. I have already a couple of ideas in my mind, but my point is the importance of community. Just to access a long-term approach in any cryptocurrency, you will have to bet on the community. That's the only rule. Otherwise the things will collapse sooner or later. Your $100 investment, even if you throw $100 in such project, and if you think that I will throw $100 and we'll see what happens, but that $100 will become $1 gradually, and what will you do? So only invest in projects that have solid powerful community. They are backing each other. They have the community members who have tremendous respect for each other. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button if you find any sense in this video, and please subscribe to my channel if you want to keep accessing such videos. Take care. Bye bye.